Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the live stream of today's Blue Origin test flight.
So everything seems nominal for an exhilarating test flight.
Today's mission is totally focused on a successful crew capsule escape with the understanding that the booster will likely be lost. It's time to hand this show over to Mission Control so we can listen in on the final countdown.
I'm super excited to see this thing go.
Godspeed, New Shepard.
5, 4, command start, 2, 1. And liftoff. New Shepard has cleared the tower.
There you have it, a spectacular launch of New Shepard, live from West Texas.
Coming up here around 45 seconds is when we'll see our escape.
There it is, 70,000 pounds of thrust pushing that crew capsule.
When the BE-3 engine remains on, the booster continues to space.
The drogues are out on the crew capsule. There go the mains.
Okay, so those 3 mains are reefed right now to keep them small. The reefing will remove shortly to fully expand, as you can see.
And touchdown of the New Shepard crew capsule. From what we can tell, that was a nominal in-flight test of our escape system. And again, all astronauts on board would have had a pretty exhilarating ride, but a safe ride.
The BE-3 will restart, and we'll wait for that smooth, gentle descent onto the pad. There she goes. Look at that. Nice and stable. Landing gear deploying. There you go. The booster's landing on tail of fire. It's got rubber pipeline. Set and shot. Beautiful.
Wow. There it is.
Touchdown!
What an extraordinary test and a tremendous final flight for both craft. If you're interested in learning more and keeping up to date on our progress, be sure and sign up on our website for email updates. And until our next exciting launch, Gradatum Ferociter.